To keep code quality high and secured, it is important that each change that goes to production will be reviewed and approved. In GitLab, code reviews are done as part of merge requests. In general, a person with the required permission, developer or hire, can merge code into the target branch. However, if you want more people to review code before it's merged, you can do this with merge request approvals. You can enforce such a workflow that requires multiple reviewers with the merge request approval feature. Approvals will block the merging of a merge request until the configured number of approvals has been met. This allows you to force a certain number of people to check all the code that goes into important branches in your repository. As you can see in this merge request, the pipeline is green and the merge request is ready for merge. However, the merge button is disabled. So only after the required approvers have reviewed the code and approved the merge request, the developer will be able to merge this merge request. I will now sign off and log in with a different user who is defined as an approver, and I will approve the merge request. The Approve button is waiting for my approval. I will click on it, and now the developer can merge his code. I will now open the merge request approval settings. You can set the number of required approvals, and you can assign specific approvers that need to approve the merge request. If you set specific approvers, only they will be able to approve the merge request. You can add, edit, or remove approval rules. You can add groups or specific users. And here is the new rule that I've just added. The rule name is security. Here is the approver list, the target branch, and the required approval, which is 2. That means that 2 people from this list will need to approve this merge request. To summarize, merge request approval enforces code reviews and helps ensure you keep your code quality high.